How to use or set a custom background on Google Meet. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from Help Deck. In today's video, I'll show you how you can add a custom background to your Google Meet app. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now you can set a custom image from your computer as the background both before or during the meeting. And to select a custom image from your computer as the background before a meeting, you have to simply click on the change background button from the bottom right corner, as you can see, of the preview window of the ready to join page. So when you're on the ready to join page, you will see this kind of interface. So you have to select the little icon at the bottom right, and the menu for changing your background will appear at the bottom of the preview window. You have to simply click on the plus icon that says use image from disk, or when you hover on it. If you can't appropriate custom images, head over to Google Meet Background Images website to browse and download backgrounds if you want to. Now, an open dialog will basically appear, and select and open the image from a computer that you want to use as your background. You will be able to see the preview of the image as your background in the preview window. Click on Join Now to join the meeting with the current background, or click on the plus icon to select another background from your desk. But aside from that, you can also select a custom image as your background during the meeting. You have to simply click on the more options, which is basically the three-dot menu from the bottom right corner of the meeting toolbar. Then select the change background option from the menu, as you can see. Now as you select change background, you will see this kind of interface that will ask that the window to change the background will open on the right. Click on the plus icon to select a custom image. You have to simply tap on the plus icon over here, and Meet stores the custom images you use, so you can easily use them again in the future. They appear after the blur your background, but before any of the preset images from Google on the menu. And to delete a custom image from Google Meet, hover on the image and click the delete icon. Now basically, custom backgrounds are a fun way to choose a background in the meeting that also reflects your personality better than the stock options from Google, while also doing the job. But hopefully this video answered the question as to how you can add custom background on Google Meet. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.